Welcome back to Auto Car Review, the channel where luxury meets performance, and today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive and breathtaking creations from Mercedes, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of ultimate prestige, craftsmanship, and power. A machine that defines what happens when Mercedes-Benz pushes the boundaries of automotive luxury to the next level. From the moment you lay your eyes on the Mythos SL, you know it's something extraordinary. It's not just a redesigned SL, it's a complete reimagination built for those who demand nothing less than perfection. The exterior screams elegance and dominance, with its elongated hood, wide Maybach grille finished in chrome, and those distinctive two-tone paint options that instantly remind you this car belongs in a league of its own. The hand-polished Maybach emblem proudly sits on the front, announcing luxury from miles away. Every line and curve has been sculpted with precision to balance aerodynamic performance with visual drama. The 2026 Mythos SL rides low and wide, giving it an aggressive yet graceful stance. The massive 22-inch forged wheels, adorned with the Maybach logo, blend performance and sophistication. The retractable roof is a masterpiece on its own, crafted with the finest materials and engineered to open and close in near silence, transforming the car from a grand tourer into a luxurious open-top cruiser within seconds. The LED digital light system gives the car a futuristic edge, not just for style, but for ultimate visibility and intelligence on the road. Step inside, and you immediately understand why the Mythos SL is not just a vehicle. It's a sanctuary. The interior is a work of art, combining the heritage of Maybach with modern design. Every inch is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, handcrafted wood trims, and polished metal accents. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're sculpted like thrones, with built-in massage functions, climate control, and customizable Maybach stitching patterns. The cabin lighting adjusts with your mood, and the scent system ensures every drive feels like a first-class experience. At the center, the massive OLED infotainment display blends seamlessly into the dashboard, offering access to Mercedes' latest MBUX system, complete with augmented reality navigation, voice assistant, and next-generation connectivity. The 4D Burmester sound system takes in-car audio to another dimension, literally surrounding you in perfect sound from every angle. Rear passengers, if you have any, enjoy the same level of luxury with their own screens, climate zones, and personal comfort settings. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach Mythos SL doesn't just rely on looks. Powering this masterpiece is a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with hybrid assistance, delivering over 800 horsepower. This beast goes from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3.5 seconds. Impressive for a car that weighs and feels like a luxury yacht on wheels. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive ensures traction and control under any condition. Despite its power, it glides smoothly thanks to its adaptive air suspension and advanced active body control. The Mythos SL is not just fast, it's intelligent. With a full suite of driver assistance features, including autonomous driving capabilities, lane keeping assist, and intelligent cruise control, it delivers the perfect balance between human craftsmanship and AI precision. Only a limited number of Mythos SLs will ever be built, making it one of the rarest modern Maybachs in existence. This is not a car you buy for practicality. It's a collector's dream, a symbol of success, and a celebration of what the future of ultra-luxury performance looks like. So, if you ever get to see one of these on the road, consider yourself lucky, because the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL isn't just transportation. It's an experience, an emotion, and a masterpiece that reminds us why Maybach remains the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching Auto Car Review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive reviews of the world's most luxurious and powerful cars.